What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Killy Willy from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the bottom edge of the mouth. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes down and then bend that back up towards the right. Now from here we're just going to curve this down and then out towards the corners of the mouth. Let's add two large fangs going up. From this point we're going to bend this out and then up. Let's go over towards the right point and do the same thing. Now let's draw the outside of the fang going out and then down. Now I'm going to tuck the top edge of the mouth in behind the fangs. Let's start over on the left side, then this up and then in. Now I'm going to pull this up and in towards the center point. Let's start on the left, going up and in, then back out and then down. Let's add the teeth in the center. Starting from the bottom in the middle, angle this up towards the left, and then the right. Now from the top of those lines, we're going to angle this down towards the bottom, and then angle this back up towards the top. Let's add one more line along the side. Now from here, we want to trace the outside lips going in behind that fang. Let's start over on the left. Then this up and in towards the middle, go out and then back down towards the right. Now trace the corners of the mouth. Go all the way around, just round out the corner and then pull that in. Now I'm just going to close off the bottom with another curve. Now in the center of the head, just up above the lip, we're going to draw a circle for the eye. Let's start from the very top, go all the way around, and back up towards the top. Let's draw two small circles just up above the tip of the fangs. Start on the left and then the right. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw two medium-sized circles. Now we're going to move all the way up to the top and draw the top edge of the head. Let's start all the way over on the left side at the very top. Curve this down in the middle, just up above that center eye, and then bend that back up towards the right. Now we're going to add some fur along the side of the head. Let's start from the top left, curve this around, and then bend that in. Let's add another point, going out and up towards the side. Pull this around and then in towards the side of the head. Let's add a couple more along the side, going up and out. I want to pull that in and then down. And we'll add one more point, going up and out with a short line. And we'll just pull that in and down towards the side of the mouth. Now I want to add a trim along the outside of each point. Starting from this point here, just taper this all the way up towards the top. Move down and do that again. And we'll separate the bottom. Up and out. And separate out the bottom. Let's add some blood dripping down from each of the eyes. Starting from the center on the left, and this in and down towards the mouth. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the top eyes, come in towards the center point. And then the same thing along the bottom. Now the back is going to come up above the head. So let's start over on the left. We're going to add some fur. Coming across and then up towards the right. And bend that back down. Let's add one more point. Going out and up. And pull that back in on top of the head. Let's add some fur across the shoulders. Starting from the top left, curve this out and then down. And we'll line that up on the right. Let's pull that back in. Let's add one more point, going out and then down. back in towards the arms. Now we're going to work our way out towards the elbow. Draw a straight angle line coming down and out. Let's add a point of fur, out and up. I'm just going to curve the arm, coming around and then in. Now I want to add 2 sockets for the claws along the bottom. Starting back on the left, draw a small half circle, and draw that again. Now I want to curve the inside of the forearm. You go up, and just bend that out. From the inside of the forearm, let's step down, curve the arm going up and in behind the head. Now we're going to go back and draw on the outside claw. Let's start from this point, angle this down and out on both sides. And we'll curve the claw, coming down and then in. Let's work our way back up towards that second point. Just tapering this up and angling that in. Now let's add in the second claw. And come straight down. And again, just curving the claw, coming in. And we'll work our way back towards that inside point. Now I'm going to place the third claw along the inside. Let's start up here, curve this down and then in. Round up the claw and then go back out. Now I'm going to work our way back in towards the arm, going up and bending that in. Let's separate the tip of each claw with a curve. Now I'm going to add those eyes across the forearm. Let's start right in the middle at the very top, draw an oval, coming down and then up, place a dot in the center. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Now I'm going to draw 2 more eyes along the outside of the arms. Let's start on the bottom left, curve around and then in. Do the same thing along the inside. Place a small black dot in the center. Now let's move back to the center and draw on the body. We'll start just underneath the lip with a fold. We're going to go up the middle and then back down. Now in the center, let's step down, start with the point, come all the way down towards the bottom and add another point. Let's connect the top and bottom with a curve going out towards the left, and then back in. Go back up to the top, and go around the right side, and then back in. Then we're going to line the inside with some teeth. Let's start from the top, come in and out. Just going to work our way down towards the bottom, and go up and do the same thing on the right. Now underneath this point, we're going to step down and add a curve. Down and then up. Now let's go back up to the top, just underneath the lips, and curve the body, coming in and then down. So let's start on the left, and down towards the hip. And then for that center curve, we move over toward the left, angle this down and out towards the inside of the knee on both sides. And curve the leg, going out and then down towards the heels. Now from the heel, I'm just going to draw a curve, coming down and up towards the first claw. And we'll draw the first claw going up, just bend that down towards the end, and we'll pull that back up with a curve towards the bottom of the foot. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with the curve, go to the top of the claw, and bend that down, and then close off the bottom. Now I'm going to layer 2 more claws on either side. Let's start from the very top, go down toward the bottom, tuck that in, and we'll do that one more time. Now let's go back up to the hips and draw 2 straight angled lines coming down towards the knee. Coming down to right about there. Let's add a point on the knee, going up and then out. Now from here, I'm just going to curve this down and then out on top of the last claw. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Killy Willy from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.